Hey everyone, Casey here from Clientric. In today's tutorial, we're going to go ahead and send out your first document to be signed. So we are on our main screen right now within Zoho Sign, and so we can actually create your own sign yourself, or we can send for signatures. So we're going to do two right now. We're going to sign yourself, and then we're going to send for signatures. This one is really easy. You're just uploading a document to sign yourself. So let's say you get a document from your lawyer, from your mortgage broker, whatever it is, or someone within your team, and you need to sign something for them. All right, so we're just going to upload from your computer here, or you could import from the cloud. We typically just upload from our computer. We have these documents here, and we're going to drag, or you can drag and drop them. So I do have a file over here. I am just going to bring over right now. I'm going to drag it, drop it in there, and there we go. It's loading up there. And as soon as that's done, we can move on to the signing procedure. So test document 2 is there. We can also drag and drop more files here if we wanted to. Essentially what's going to happen is multiple documents are going to be signed in one go, and then you're going to get two separate documents if you wanted to go through with that. Some of our clients have required that. There's multiple documents they want to sign at once. They don't have to send two signatures out or two emails out. That gets confusing. It gets frustrating. It's not a great experience for the user on the other end. Anyways, this is just for sign yourself. And another quick little tidbit there that we've learned along the way. So we're going to click on continue here to go through this process. It's going to allow you to upload any fields that you want that you need to be signed. So for example, we definitely want our signature. We can put that anywhere. We could add our company, email, text, checkbox, job title, sign date. Maybe you want sign date and a job title. Remember, this is just for us to sign. So we're going to finish this and we're going to be redirected directly to this document so we can sign it. So some fields are left unfilled. We can add in our signature here. Signature field cannot be empty. So I'm just going to put in Casey left. And KL is the initial. So as you can see, this is pretty nice handwriting, way better than mine. And here you have the option to draw, and here you have the option to upload. So just so you're aware, you can choose an image, and same with the initials here, or you can draw if you want to, depending on the type of pen you want. This is just not good, so I don't typically do that, and it looks like crap anyway. So we're going to go ahead with that one, but that is typically how you do this. And so once you click send, it's actually just going to sign it. So you're going to be done with this one, and it's going to be signed. So this document, we are going to send, let's say, Casey plus sign T at clientric.co. Now, if you're wondering why I use this plus symbol in here, just as another little tidbit, you can actually use this plus symbol to give you additional email addresses. So I know this one is coming in and it's a tutorial because it has Casey plus sign T at clientric.co, but it comes into my Casey at clientric.co email address. So this is a whole separate thing, just as a little tidbit. If you want to use this for testing purposes, this is a great way to do that. And it's called plus addressing for your email provider. So I'm going to click send and close there. That one's done. Great. So we're going to come back to Zoho Sign, and we're going to do the exact same thing again, but we're going to send for signatures. So I'm going to upload this exact same document again. We're going to send in order. I'm going to add me. So this is the first user. And then I'm going to send to, let's say, Casey plus sign T example 2, and KCL also needs to sign. You can also change this so the needs to sign can be changed to receives a copy, in-person signer, approver. You have different options here within all of these, this drop down here to choose depending on what that user is. Oops, looks like I forgot to put clientric.co. So you can add in the email plus SMS, depending on what you wanted, and the language. So again, that stuff's pretty straightforward. You do have a couple other options here. You can add a private note, and you can also set up the authentication depending on what you want. So there's a couple different options. You can add notes to all recipients. I'm going to say this is a test, and I'm going to send it out. So user 1 demo is going to sign here. They're going to put their job title in here. And then you could even add a payment in here if you wanted to, which is actually really, really cool. So you can actually set up using Zoho Checkout. That would be a separate tutorial under Zoho Checkout. When we get to there, you'll find that one. But you can add in a bunch of different options, and let's throw in the sign date. So again, this is for user 1. Now when it comes to user 2, We are going to add in the exact same field. So signature is in there. Let's throw in job title, and let's also throw in sign date. And so those are for those users to fill out. So sign the document right after sending. So user 1 is going to sign this right away, and then it's going to be sent to this user here. I'm going to save and sign. Gets redirected. I confirm, agree, and continue. Signature, job title, and then sign date. You click on that, and then you click finish. Now it gets sent to the other user, and as soon as that user's completed the signing, you are all going to get an email, and you are all going to be able to confirm that it has been signed and get everything that you need. So if we go to sign home quickly, if we go into the documents here, we can go to in progress. We can see this one's in progress, and we can see where it's at. We can see it's 66% done. This individual has mailed, viewed, and signed it. This individual it's been mailed to hasn't been viewed yet, and it hasn't been signed yet. So you can see a good amount of information here, and we're going to dive into this in another tutorial. So that's it for now. I hope that's been helpful. Please make sure you are liking and commenting on these videos and subscribing to our channel. If you haven't heard this spiel already, it allows us to reach a larger audience like yourself who are needing some extra help when it comes to the Zoho environment. As always, feel free to visit www.clientric.co and check out our other social channels as well, like Instagram and LinkedIn. We're putting out a ton of content everywhere, and we hope it's helpful for you. So please follow along. We're building an awesome community, and we can't wait to have you there. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.